Self doubt doesn't always look dramatic, sometimes it's quiet. It sounds like hesitation, second guessing yourself, believing you're not ready, not good enough, not there yet. Over time, those thoughts can start feeling like facts, but they are not. They are just fears that stayed too long. Because the truth is, you are often growing in ways you cannot yet see. Many of the limits you believe in are simply stories shaped by fear and not reality. Confidence doesn't always come first. Action, curiosity, and persistence usually do. And more often than not, you are far more capable than your self doubt allows you to believe.